Bananas.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, she's looking.
Oh, what is that?
That went down fairly easy.
Yeah, good job, sweetie. Another bite. What a messy face you have.
Oh, wow.
You have a banana goatee. Nice.
I think the reaction is neutral.
She's doing an awesome job.
Oh, come on. You can't lap it up.
You're not a puppy. Look at you, messy face girl. She looks like she has a goatee. I think she's more enthralled with the camera than she's interested in the food.
Probably.